Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix mouse input lag in Stalker 2. Alright, first thing that you need to do here is to go to your search bar right here and type in %app data % and hit on enter. Alright, now once you're in here, just go ahead and click on app data right here at the top. Click on that, then go to local. From here, you should be able to see the Stalker folder. Now, what you're going to want to do in that folder, basically, to open it up, then go to saved, config, and WinGDK if you're playing it from the Xbox app. All right. If you're playing it on Steam, just go ahead and open Stalker 2 folder, then go to saved, config, and then Windows. From there, you should be able to see the input.ini file. All right, again, once you open WinGDK or the Windows folder, you should be able to see the input.ini file. All right. Now, once you're in there, once you saw the input.ini file, just go ahead and double click on it or right click, then open the file as text. All right. And then you're going to want to copy these parameters right here. Right click, copy, and paste it on the text file. For example, right click and paste, then file, and just simply hit on save. All right. Don't worry, I'll leave this parameters in the description. Now, what if that won't work? Don't worry. Just go ahead and go to your game shortcut. For example, this is Stalker 2. Right here, right click on it, hit on properties, and go to compatibility tab. All right. Now, if you can't do it on Stalker 2 when you're using it on Steam, you can't find the compatibility tab, just go ahead and open up your Steam app. All right, once you're on the Steam app, just go to your library and locate the game. For example, this one is Stalker 2. Go to properties and install files, then browse local files right here. Now, once you're in here, just go ahead and locate up the executable. For example, this one, right click on it and hit on properties, and you should be able to see the compatibility tab. Now, what you're going to want to do basically is just go to change high DPI settings right here, and to make sure that you tick this one, the override high DPI scaling behavior. Scaling performed by, make sure that you select application. Then once done, just hit OK, hit apply, hit OK, close, 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 launch the game, and everything should work perfectly fine now. And that is it. I hope this video helps, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.